हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो आज की वीडियो में हम लेकर आए एक बहुत ही अच्छी जॉब अपडेट जो कि इनसाइड व्यू की तरफ से जो कि प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं फुल टाइम परमानेंटली वर्क फ्रॉम होम जॉब एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। सो गाइस, प्लीज़ वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड सो you will not miss any important information related to this job. Okay guys, if you are new on my channel, please make sure you are subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any job update from for the 2020 and 21 batch pass outs. So let's check this job update from inside view. So this is the official website for of inside view. So inside view is hiring for software engineer role at inside view India. So this will be a job location will be a remote, is a permanently remote job, so that is a really good thing. So they have also mentioned about inside view. Inside view is a seeking creative, highly motivated, enthusiastic engineer individuals to be part of a Hyderabad based product development team. You will work in a fast paced agile environment to build and deliver key features of the application. This is a great opportunity to work with talented, high energy and creative team focused on building a world class product. So this is some information they have included on their official website. So this is a really good opportunity for 2020-21 batch pass outs. After that, let's check out the responsibilities. So design and develop scalable data processing platforms, work on developing scalable data architecture system, follow engineering best practices to solve data matching, data search related problems, work closely with cross-functional teams in agile environments. So these are the responsibilities about this job. So they have also mentioned what should be skills you should have about you. You are a strong analytical and problem solving skills. You are self motivated, eager to learn new technologies, receive to constructive feedback. You are confident and articulate with excellent written and verbal communication skills, and you are open to work in small development environment. So after that, skills and education. So guys, they have mentioned in education you should be completed a bachelor's degree in computer science or equivalent discipline from top engineering institution. Means if you have done BCA, MCA, computer science, IT, or any related computer science degree, that should be eligible for this job role. After that, adept in computer science fundamental and passionate towards algorithms, programming and problem solving. 0 to 1 years of software engineering experience in product companies, software product companies. So yeah, you should be fresher or you should have up to 1 year experience. That is a requirement. So after that, proven expertise in core Java data structures and algorithms. They have, so guys, they have mentioned आपको core Java data structure and algorithms का अच्छी तरह से knowledge होना चाहिए. Strong understanding of OOP concepts. तो गाइज आपको ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट्स का स्ट्रॉन्ग अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए, एक अच्छा नॉलेज होना चाहिए OOP का. आफ्टर दैट आपको एक अच्छा नॉलेज होना चाहिए डेटाबेस कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड प्रोफिशिएंट इन SQL. So yeah, you should have a good knowledge of database concepts and proficient in SQL. And they have also mentioned it is good to have familiarity with machine learning and deep learning, knowledge and working experience in big data technology stack, knowledge of Hibernate, Lucene, Solar, Elasticsearch. So yeah, if you have these extra skills, then you should be have a preference for the job. After that, they have mentioned this form to apply for the job. So in this form you have to fill your first name, last name, email, phone number, location, city where you are located in. After that you have to attach your resume. So I am suggesting you to please customize your resume according to the job role, and if you have any certification, please do mention in this resume and make your resume properly. And they have also mentioned a cover letter that is not mandatory, but if you have cover letter already, uh, if you have already made the cover letter, yeah, attach here and mention your LinkedIn profile. So yeah, this is a job opportunity from inside view. Make sure you apply for the job if you are job seeker from 2020 or 21 batch pass out. This is a really good opportunity, and the package will be about 3 lakhs per annum, depends on your interview and your experiences. Yeah, so this is the job opportunity from inside view. Okay guys, so let's check out the next job opportunity. Okay guys, so this is a job opportunity from Marlabs. So Marlabs is hiring for .NET developers, .NET trained freshers. So if you are .NET trained fresher, or you have done certain projects in .NET, or you have some knowledge in .NET, you should definitely check out the job. So eligibility criteria for this job is bachelor's of engineering in CSIT or IS, means computer science, information technology, information science. Should have completed graduation in 2020. Candidate should have exclusively trained in .NET on below mentioned topics. So they have clearly mentioned here, you should definitely have this knowledge in .NET, like fundamentals of .NET, programming language C Sharp, MVC core, database connectivity and routing, Link, JavaScript and Ajax, multithreading in .NET. So this if you have certified in .NET, you should have knowledge of these 7 topics of .NET, so you will be eligible for the job role. Even you have a few topics knowledge, then it's good, you can eligible for the job. After that, let's check out what is the selection process for the job. So in round 1 you have general aptitude evaluation, which will be a basic aptitude questions for this job. After that, in round 2, .NET technical evaluation, so it is completely based on .NET. Okay guys, so you should prepare well for the round 2 if you crack round 1 with the .NET. After that, in round 3 they have included .NET technical interview, which will be a virtual mode. So guys, this technical interview is totally based on .NET. You will not ask any questions on other technologies like Java, C or anything. So it is completely based on .NET. After that, your final round will be of HR, which will be also virtual, and job location will be a virtual. After the pandemic, you might have to uh, join their office. So guys, the last date to share your resume is 23rd June 2021, Wednesday. So I think today is the 22nd June, so you should have to submit your resume till tomorrow. So this is the email ID for this job role, job update, shiva.pravakar@marlabs.com. So you have to share your resume on this mail. So they have clearly mentioned over here, apply only if you are trained in .NET skill. So guys, if you are not trained in .NET and you don't have that much knowledge in .NET, I suggest you that don't waste your time for applying for the job. You should watch our other videos and apply over there. Okay guys, so these are the some good job opportunities, these 2 companies, and hope you like this video. Please share this video with your friends, so who is interested in .NET development and seeking for the job. Please share this video to them. Okay guys, so that much in this video. I hope you like this video. uh, yeah, that's it guys. Okay, goodbye, take care.